How to manage storage in WhatsApp. Hello guys, if you want to manage storage in your app WhatsApp, first step, click WhatsApp and click this option. Click here, more options, and click settings and scroll down and click storage and data, and here you can manage storage. So don't forget like and subscribe. Bye.